Wi-Fi Sheep would like to say a huge thank you to all of you that kindly support us. Help us continue to bring new videos like this. Join patreon.com/Wi-Fi Sheep from just $1 a month. Hello and a warm welcome back to youtube.com/Wi-Fi Sheep with me, Tom. Now, many of you know from time to time I get asked to review products or services here on the channel. Now, I was contacted by the good people at zimaboard.com asking if I would like to review their Zima board single board computer product. This really did interest me as it's an Intel x86 64-bit powered board with a very generous 32 gig of onboard storage and preloaded with Linux OS in the form of Casa OS, which is an open source server system. And it's marketed as the world's first x86 SBC designed for the maker and hobby tech community. So basically, people like us. Looking on the company website at zimaboard.com, links by the way are in the description. If we scroll down to specs, the board comes with an x86 64-bit Apollo Lake Intel Celeron processor. The model I have, which is the 432, has 4 cores and also has integrated Intel graphics, with options for 2, 4 or even 8 gigs of RAM, and the generous eMMC at 16 or 32 gig. We can also take a look at connectivity. As mentioned, 2x SATA ports, 2x USB 3 ports and 1 PCIe slot are included, and the mini display port for video out for standalone operation. So some really impressive specs. But enough talk, let's do an unboxing and test this thing out. Okay, so here we are. This is a Zima board and it comes packaged in very nice sort of brown cardboard packet. Again, I always say with products, especially when they come out of China, if they're kind of minimalist like this, they're not shouty, that's normally a good sign. If you get products that are sort of pictures all over the top and it does this and it does that and it brags about things, start to be a little bit wary. This one again presented very nice. Just have a look here. See, it says home server, and we've got the web address there for zimaboard.com. Links for all that are in the description to the video, by the way, and we've got the size on the back there. So let's open up. Let's see what we've got inside. Oh wow. Already I'm impressed, and that's just the box lid. Wow, look at that. So this is the Zima board, world's first hackable single board server. As I said in the introduction, what's interesting about these is that they're x86. So we'll take that, and we have a power supply. I was wondering about that actually. So let's just... I just wonder what the power supply, if it's... Oh no. Oh, it is UK. There is... Sometimes I'm a bit worried about these because you usually get a generic European one. But no, there we go. And there's a power supply. Well, already I'm impressed because I didn't think this thing came with a power supply. I thought I'll have to find something, but no, there we are. Power supply, it's one of these adapter types. And that's what I need. That's UK 3-pin standard, and we've got, what have we got? I think this is one that does everything. So you've got Europe, and I'm gonna guess that's the United States. So this must be, let's have a look. This must be switchable between 100 to 240 volts. So yeah, it's switchable between North America power supplies and Europe, and in this case the UK. So okay, so let's put that on. Hang on. Oh, okay, that way around. That's really quite nice, actually. That feels, the quality of that feels really, really nice. Some of these are sometimes a bit cheap and nasty, but oh no, not that. That's great. Okay, already I'm quite impressed. Okay, right. So here we are in a shrink wrap box, so it's going to reflect all the lights, but this is a Zima board. And this is the Zima board 432. And this one is a 4GB variant. You can get these in 4 or 8GB. This is the 4GB version they've sent me. So a few nice things. It has a lot of connectivity. So it has PCI expansion boards, LAN and display port, and SATA ports for SSDs. And it's designed for a cloud computing platform. So let's take a look. And it can do 4K, an Intel quad-core CPU. So x86, it can run Windows. This is really nicely packaged. Okay, wow. So we just take that off like there. Okay. Okay. And there's another box inside. There we are. Get that open. Okay. So where is the user's guide? It says here, I'll just read out, SATA cable inside. We've got a sticker. Got 2 stickers. Oh yeah, we are. That's nice. So ice whale and Zima board. And oh, there we are. Yeah, I weren't lying. Oh, look at that. So I could plug a SATA hard drive in. Oh, how cool. Anyway, right, let's have a look at it. Wow. Oh, seriously. And I'm not just saying that. Wow, this thing is cool. That's anti-static bag. It's got some weight to it as well. Just take it out of the pack. Look at that. Wow. You know when you look at something and even you've not turned it on or done anything with it, you're just impressed. Wow. Okay. I need to probably say something about it. That's metal. It's like cast metal heatsink. And that looks so cool. I know, you know, engineers and people aren't really going to be bothered about aesthetics, but my goodness, does that look cool. So, PCI slot on the side. So you can plug cards and wow. There is a little, I've just noticed there's like a little breadboard GPIO pin type area just under here, so I don't know, that might be able to break out for something. So we've got 2 USB 3, 2 Ethernet networking ports, the power and display port, and I need to go and dig out my display port adapter so we can plug it into something to have a look, but that's on that side. Nothing on the other side, and then you've got this clear sort of semi-translucent plastic case under, or chassis if you like. The board's under there, and that's obviously your SATA ports. and yeah, and you've got this sort of painted orange, and that's cast metal. So for x86 being a CISC based chip, I'm assuming that this runs, obviously doesn't have a fan, so it needs to passively cool with this heatsink, and hence you've got this brilliant design. How cool does that look? So apparently there is an operating system, a Linux operating system on this already called Casa OS, which is a sort of a cloud home server operating system. It's not unique for the x86 architecture. You can run it on ARM architecture, but obviously, you know, certain applications are going to run better with what is effectively a mini PC. This is PC architecture here, and my goodness, does it look good. Okay, so the point of this board is it's meant to run as a remote server, a hackable, flexible, open source server. Bearing in mind it is also a quite powerful single board PC computer, so there's alternative things this could do to its main purpose. But for the benefits of today's review, we'll do what I'm meant to do and what the product is actually designed for. So just have a look here in the instructions. It says quick start guide of how to make it work, basically. So step 1, get connected, and it says about connecting to your router via Ethernet or MacLeod. So I guess we can put one of those into whichever one as we want. Yeah. Step 2, power supply. So let's take the this is a really nice looking power supply, actually. You just feel the quality of everything. It's just so good. It really is, and I'm not just saying that. So power goes in like that. Okay, and we've got a little red light has come on the side. We're in. We can see we've got some network connectivity. Okay, and it says to set up Casa OS, open a new browser tab and type in http casaos.local. Or Casa? I'm not quite sure how you pronounce that, but anyway, doesn't matter. So let's just type this in then. So that's Casa or casa.local. Okay, and right, yep. Also, we'll click yep, go. Okay, we'll create an account. So Wi-Fi sheep, obviously. I'm just going to pick a password. Confirm. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, so this is the operating system space, if you like, actually in browser. And so we've got, so it's showing you what we've got in RAM and storage. So it's got onboard storage of well, nearly 30 gigabytes of onboard storage. Bear in mind, I've not added anything to this. We've got performance, we've got RAM, and we've got app store and files. So right off the bat here, we could actually upload things, upload files, folders, drag and drop. So that actually could be really, really useful just to run this thing as, well, as a home server, especially for Wi-Fi sheep, which I guess I'll admit this. I'm still sort of moving files around on, you know, USB sticks and flash drives between machines, and it would be so useful to be able to just log into this on the network, the home network, and you've seen how simple that was to set up, and then just be able to grab data or put data up, you know, when and if I need it. So just that alone is extremely useful. So let's just have a quick look at what we've got. So settings, language, English, port number, wallpaper. Can update a new version. Probably do need to update. You can select what search engine you want. Let's ask to upgrade now then. So there we are, hardware architecture, x86 64. I'll give that a minute to update and we'll come back. And there we are, so we've finished that. There we are, that's been updated. Excellent. So, and there we are, there's the app store. So what we've got, network home guard, we've got Pi-hole. I recognise a few of these. File browser, home assistant. All these look to be free at the moment. So open speed test, HTML5 network speed test server. And you've got media engines, you can stream media. You've got photos, media, home assistants. I'm assuming then this will work on a phone. That might be worth a try actually. Let's just see what happens if we try logging into this on a phone. Okay, username is case sensitive, so just need to watch that. But we're in. And here we are on the phone. We're actually logged in correctly. Now we have a sort of more minimalist control screen, but it's here. We can go to file browser. And documents. And yeah. It all works quite well actually. So it's not just laptops that could use it. Phones here are using it, and I'm guessing other systems. If it supports a HTML5 WebKit protocol, which I'm assuming this is what this needs, it means other computer systems could log in and you could remotely access the system and use it as required. I just want to show you back. This is back on the MacBook that I'm looking at. We've also got, so we've got my account settings. We actually have the ability to restart and shut down the machine from the web browser protocol. Update we've done, so we've set that up. We've got the port numbers we can do, search bars we can do. I'll see if it'll let me in the terminal. What do you reckon? We might be on the wrong port. Could be on the wrong port. Let's just try that. No. Oh, actually, hang on. What am I doing? We haven't got SSH installed. But anyway, there's the log. So you can view the log of everything on the system. That's really, really quite cool, isn't it? And you know, such a brilliant looking device. It's not hot, that actually. I mean, we're not really doing much with the server itself, but it's a little bit of heat there, but it's not terrible by any stretch of imagination. Packaging on that is brilliant. Really does look the part. And as I said, you can get these in 4 and also 8 gig capacity. I'm just wondering, as it's x86, 64-bit x86 and it's got USB, if I can find my DisplayPort adapter, we should maybe look at trying this perhaps in a future video or next time. We should have a look at plugging in hard drives, and maybe I could even see if it'll boot another x86 operating system and actually run as a local machine, because I mean these things, that has potential to be a single board computer in its own right, not just a network server. But it's a brilliant starting point, and it really does look the part. It'd be a shame really to put that inside a case or something, because it looks so good on its own. Now, I know this is a paid product review video, and any praise I might have is going to sound insincere, and that's totally understandable. But from a personal level, I have been really impressed with both the quality and also the performance. With Casa OS, this thing really works well for its intended use as a server. However, it is a powerful x86 PC in its own right. So I'm very curious to see how easy it is to run in standalone mode with other PC OSs. It can run builds of Linux and even Windows 10. And I'm keen to plug in a SATA drive to see how that works as well. So maybe we'll do that next time in a follow-up video. In the meantime, if you're interested and want to find out more, details and links are in the description to zimaboard.com, so do go and take a look. And if you haven't done so already, please do consider liking and subscribing to me right here on Wi-Fi Sheep. And I hope to see you real soon right here on the channel. So until next time, thank you so much for your company, and bye for now.